This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Word and picking a template that matches the project type. This saves time and enforces structure. Once chosen, save immediately as project name V1. Docx to your cloud or folder so version control starts now. Then insert a cover page and define styles, title, heading 1 and heading 2, because consistent styles let you auto-generate a table of contents later. Make sure to set page size and margins before adding content. It prevents layout rework. You now populate the body. Draft each section under heading styles so Word can craft a table of contents automatically. As you add figures and tables, insert captions and cross-references. This keeps numbering consistent when you move elements. Once drafts exist, enable track changes and add comments for collaborators, and use review tools to accept or reject edits. Also, save incremental versions like V2, V3, and use compare if you need to merge divergent edits. This preserves clarity and accountability. You finish by updating the table of contents in all fields, then run spelling and grammar checks. These steps ensure clean, professional output. Export to PDF with embedded fonts and verify pagination, embedded links, and images. This is what recipients will see. If formatting breaks or sections snap back, clear direct formatting and reapply your saved styles, or copy content into a fresh document to remove corruption. One key tip: when things go wrong, restore a prior saved version and repeat the styling steps carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.